I'm not here about the drama. I'm just here for how good her products genuinely are. So any further ado, I just got this package in the mail and I just felt the urge to come on and film for you guys. Now my shirt may look a bit crushed, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm not in a mood to press it out. So yes, this palette is priced at £43 for 36 shades. Swatching these shades right here also. Okay, so these are some of the swatches. When I say they are buttery smooth, I wish you could feel them through the camera. They are buttery smooth. The next one is the black one, which is called Feed Black. Basically how stunning the packaging looks. Gorgeous. I am here for it. And I will try and incorporate all of this. This is it basically up close and personal. It is very gorgeous. I'll swatch the paints for you guys. So you can see this is in a tube packaging. And this one has a bit of oil coming out of it at first. But this is the white. Terrible swatch, I know. The next one is the black one. And this is basically what the black one looks like. Gorgeous. Her paints are endless. You can use them in so many ways. Some of her formulas are not all the same, but it still does dry down. For the first shade, I'm going to take Fabrication, and this is this matte black shade. And I'm just putting that on the outer corner. This black is super pigmented, as you can. It does have a lot of kickback in the palette. The next shade I'm going to take is Problematic. Just blending out the edge of the black shade. Take the shade called Cancelled, which is this shade right here. And most of these brushes that I'm using are peaches and cream brushes. So right now I'm taking PC22. The one that I use, which is this brush right here for my black shadow. It is number PC47. And the one that I use to blend out the black shade is PC11. It is a shader brush. I love this formula. Like, I swear, anytime I buy P.Louise, I feel like I have not wasted any money. I'm not gonna lie, this packaging is very heavy to be lifting up. But I'm gonna take this shade called Drama, which is this white shade. Just making sure all the shadows are meshed well together. Now I'm gonna test out the black liner. Just a quick little look. I will be doing another tutorial so you guys can see me use the white base with a nice cut crease and stuff, and other shades in this palette. So there will be a look number 2 coming. But yes, going right into this black shade called Feed Black. And I'm going to use this as a liner, so I'm taking a bit on the back of my hand. Taking the P.Louise angled brush, and this one is a acid rain brush. That was so easy to apply, I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared, but I think I may take a little bit of the re-white. Just cleaning my brush using my Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. And I'm just gonna coat my brush. So I've basically finally got the white liner on. Let me just go pop my lashes and stuff on, and then I'll be right back with the finishing product. Then I can let you guys know my final thoughts on these products. Hey guys, so I'm basically back with the final look. So this is basically it. Now for the conclusion of this whole collection. For starters, this collection did come with a palette, 2 paints, and a brush set. Now, I did not collect the brush set because I felt like it was overpriced for 10 brushes. That was priced at £70, and it did come with a trash can as the casing, which is cute and all, but I personally felt like it's overpriced. Now, usually I purchase my brushes from Peaches and Cream. If you are a OG subscriber, you will know I legit use Peaches and Cream brushes all the time. Peaches and Cream has a mix and pick brush set of 10 for £35, and you can choose any brush from face to eyebrow, and I feel like that is more than worth the price, especially if you're someone that loves to buy makeup on a budget. That is a perfect price point. If you do see me with that P.Louise brush set in the future, it's because I've obviously got it on sale, hoping it will go on sale soon, or for Black Friday, or any case, probably next year. I'm not in no rush to get it either, but I know Peaches and Cream brush are my OG brushes. The next thing is the palette. The palette is priced at £43. This, if I were to rate, I would give this palette a 10 out of 10. I am not 100% loving these bases. I prefer the black paint than I do the white paint. Now, I feel like the white paint took too long to dry and it went on patchy. It did not go on in one coat. It could be the brush that I chose to use with it, but it did not go on in one pigmented coat, and it took very long to dry down comparing to the black paint. Now the black paint is black and pigmented, but now let me show you the difference in formula. The black is putty, the white formula is putty. All right, for the black one, it has more of a tug to it, and when it has more of a tug to it, I feel like it's easier to set, or sets quicker. Whereas in the white one, you can see with the white one, like it fades at the top and then it goes thick. Like this is the thickness, then it fades. Whereas in the black, keeps its consistency. Let me show you another paint, but this paint dries down really quickly. This is one of her newest color, and this one is called Firecracker. And let me apply this here. You can see that this one has a tug to it. It's still creamy, but it has a tug to it, if that makes sense. But this one dries down really fast and it keeps its consistency. Them is not the same formula. Another one of my favorite from her thingy is the Smoky Hot one, which is this one right here. And let me... This one has a tug to it also. So I feel like when they have a bit more of a tug to it, you can apply a thin base and it dries very quickly. and that keeps its consistency, as you could see right there, whereas in the white one does not keep its consistency right through. So for the paints, I would give them a 7 out of 8. But as I said, it's not all the formulas are the same. All right, if I were to choose my top picks from P.Louise bases, which are 10 out of 10, dry fast, I can apply shadows on top without them separating if I wanted to add shadow on top. 9 out of the 13 are perfect, 10 out of 10. They dry very fast and pigmented, and I can apply eyeshadow on top if I would like to add eyeshadow on top. If I don't, it dries very quickly, like very, very quickly. And these shades are Smoky Hot, Sexy Chili, Blank Canvas, Salty AF, Nitro, Raver, Flaming Firecracker, Glow Girl, Feeding Black, Ecstasy. Those 9 paints, if you would love to pick up a P.Louise paints, I would 100% recommend those paints. Other than that, this is now the end of my video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Sorry for my crush top, but I hope you guys did enjoy this. It was very much informative for you guys to make your decision. When it comes to P.Louise palettes though, it's like chef kiss, buttery.